In this moment of celebration, we witness the evolution of the Poumai people, each individual a testament to resilience and growth. We introduce to you Pastor Sapana Sewa, a Christian leader guiding the congregation with compassion and faith. Dr. Sazero, a physician making a difference every day, whose hands restore both health and growth. R.S. Zoiko Napu, an entrepreneur forging new paths and pushing boundaries. K.N. James, an engineer dedicated to transforming ideas into practical solutions that improve our everyday lives. Dr. Abhived D, a distinguished professor, shaping the young minds of tomorrow with wisdom and knowledge. And last but not the least, we have Paiva, a musician connecting hearts and bringing stories to life through music. Today, we honor and celebrate the remarkable journey of the Poumai people, a vibrant tapestry of resilience and unity. Each story, whispers of hope, illuminating a path toward a brighter future, honoring our rich heritage. Together, we are not just witnesses to history, we are the architects of our future.
We shall have another round of presentations and acknowledgement. We give this time to Ms. Jovine Mana, Literary and Publicity Secretary, PNTMD.